Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you my oral assessment rating calculator template. Its usage is pretty simple. You have to put the names of the students in this area, for example, Anna, Chiara, and Mark. And when you ask a question, you simply put a rating for each question. I use a scale from 2 to 10, and simply, for example, if the first question is totally right, answered, I put 8 and a weight of 6. If it's wrong, it's 4 and 6. And maybe if I ask to Chiara to complete the question and Chiara just say a part of the answer, I put a 6 and a weight of 3. And if Mark closed the question, maybe 8 and 1. Okay, so if you continue to the oral assessment, you can ask another question, and for example, it's 8 and 4, because it's not a difficult question, or 8 and 2, or 5 and 5. Okay, when you finished, you can see the average rating in this area and also in this area. And yeah, I normally when I normally finish an oral assessment, I save this file, and I make a file for each day or each session, so that I can go back in another moment to see how a student answered, if there are other questions about the rating, the final ratings they obtained. Then to program the dates of the assessment, I use this causal number generator. Why I use this? I use this because I program in one moment all the dates, and if I have 20 students, if there are not voluntary students, I extracted the numbers from the registry of the students to set when they will come in the future. So these use VBA or macros, and when you open, you will see this alert. The first thing you have to do is to press there on enable content, and if there are other problems, if you are on Windows, you have to go to option, then go to trust center settings, go to macro settings, and enable VBA macros. Okay. Sometimes you should have to do another thing that is related to Microsoft Defender. That is go on Explorer, find the file, press with the right button of the mouse, property, and go in this area. You see that for me this is not present, but sometimes there is this part, and you have to press on unblock and press OK. Then I am certain that it will work. If you are on Mac, this is the official guide from Microsoft Office documentation, and you can read there how to do. However, if you have a problem, just write me an email to TelliTools at gmail.com. Okay, close. Okay, how it works? It's pretty simple. If you have a 10 students, press there, press on the cross, go down. Okay, then go there. Okay. This is considered the number of the student, and if you want to eliminate 2 students because you wanted to set separately, you just delete their numbers, for example, so, and if you want or, you just do so. Okay, when you press there, you see that will be generated a number, and you will see how much remainings and the percentage from this part. For example, the student number 3 will come the 1st of January. The number 1 will come the 3 of January. The number 8 will come with the number 1 the 3 of January. It's pretty simple. When you finish, there will be an alert that will say that all numbers are exited. So that's it. If you want, there are other tools, for example, an exam generator that with Excel permits you to generate a random tests with random answers and solutions, or other tools that you can find in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.